Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 8 is responsibility. Now I know you guys have heard that word many times in your lifetime. The term responsibility simply means this: having a duty, task to complete, or having control over someone. So let's say your parents give you a job like watch your little brother while I am cooking dinner. You want to make sure that you actually complete that task and watch them so they don't get hurt. So get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day, and I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 8 is going to be the following: 1, invisible jump ropes; 2, lateral lunges; 3, steam engines; 4, wall sits. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 8, exercise number 1, as I mentioned, is going to be invisible jump ropes. You're going to have your invisible jump rope right here. You're going to turn your wrists as if you are turning a jump rope. You're going to have your feet together. You're going to go on your toes. If you want to make it more challenging, you can go on one foot, okay? Or you can do double unders, okay? Make it whatever you want to do, okay? Up to your level, okay? Second one, lateral lunges. You're going to start with your feet together. You're going to extend one foot out. So I'm going to start with my right foot. I'm going to extend one foot out, and I'm going to go to the side of my body. And then I'm going to go back in, and then I'm going to go right back out. Lateral lunges. Together, out, together, out, together. All right, so side to side. Next one, steam engines. What you're going to do is go feet shoulder width apart. You're going to get your hand behind your head. All right, so right hand behind my head. And I'm going to go across my body to my left leg and bring it up. Then I'm going to switch. Left hand goes up, across my body to my right leg. And I'm going to go back and forth, okay? Last one we got is wall sits. You're gonna go against the wall into a nice squat position. Make sure your back is straight as much as possible, and you're just gonna sit there. And you're gonna try to do that for 30 seconds. It seems pretty easy, but it will become a challenge. I promise you that, okay? So stay tuned for Fast 5 workout number 8, and we'll get started in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Invisible jump ropes. So again, if you want to do singles, okay, or if you want to do double unders, it's up to you, okay? Go up to your ability. Remember, the next ones will be those lateral squats. We can go side to side. All right, here we go. 10 more seconds. Keep going. Again, try to focus on staying on your toes as much as possible. Turn those wrists. All right, so let's get to those lateral lunges. Go. Out, together. Out, together. You're gonna keep going, side to side. Great job, my friends. Keep working hard, don't give up. Take all those negative thoughts, get them out of their mind, in your mind. No negativity at the P.E Spot. Nice job. Going. All right, we're moving on to those steam engines. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Again, cross your body, lift up your leg. Side to side. The higher you get your knee to your chest, the better. Go across your body. It looks kind of like a dance routine once you get the hang of it. Mr. Garcia has no rhythm, but I try my best. All right, get to those wall sits, go. The lower you can get, the better. Hands out in front of you if you want. Hands on your thighs. Just hold it. Back as straight as possible to the wall. Woo! Hands on your head, hands on your shoulders, hands on your knees, clap 3 times. Head, shoulders. All right, that concludes round 1. 1 minute rest, 1 minute rest. All right, that was so bad. All right, let's go. We got round 2 coming up again. 30 seconds each, same exercises. 1, invisible jump ropes. 2, lateral lunges. 3, steam engines, and 4, wall sits. Make sure you guys go all out, try your best. Do not give up. Do more reps than you did the first round, okay? Challenge yourself. Got 30 seconds left, 30 seconds left. Again, I really hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. I know I'm getting a lot more exercise in with these workouts for you guys, so. All right, here we go. 10 seconds left, 10 seconds left. If you're excited, drop a comment below. Say, I'm excited. All right, so let's get ready to go. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Invisible jump ropes, go. Again, try those double unders. Try those single hops. Switch legs. Kick in front of you. You guys make it what you want, okay? Just keep going. Don't quit on me. Mr. Garcia is old and he still works hard. Does his best. Keep going. All right, and let's go into those lateral lunges. Go side to side. Together. Side. Together. Side. Together. Great job. Don't quit, my friends. You're doing amazing. Holy guacamole, you're gonna have a good workout after this. Remember, 2 more exercises. Fast 5, 5 minutes only. All right, we got steam engine starting in 3, 2, 1. Go, again, across your body. Across your body. If you don't feel it, you'll be feeling it tomorrow. All right, get into those wall sits, go. Try to get lower. I'm gonna try to get lower. Woo! Oh, I'm too low. You can do it, let's go. You got it. 20 seconds left. And hands here, hands over your head. Shoulders, knees, head, shoulders, knees. Shoulders. Oh, how many did I get? How many of you guys did I get? Oh, I see you guys. You guys ready? Head. Shoulders. Oh, I got 3 again. 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, great job. Super proud of you guys. You did amazing. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 8. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share it with your friends, share it with your family members. Do the workouts with your friends and family members, okay? The more people that you get involved, the funner these activities become, okay? So make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I got a fun game. It's called Gone Fishing. Now, it just uses a few household items. So you need a plastic bag, you're going to need a spatula, and a tape ball. That's the only equipment you're going to need, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright, so when you have those items, you're going to have a spatula, kind of nice and flat. This is going to be your fishing rod. Then you're going to have your string for your fish, as well as your tape ball, which is going to be the thing that's going to be picking things up. Very simple. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to grab an item from one side and then transfer it over without dropping it to the other side and then let go. Okay? Every time you make it inside the bucket, you get 1 point. You're going to see how many you can collect in 1 minute. Now, if you want to differentiate this activity, you could definitely do smaller sizes and then bigger prizes and then make it 1 or 2 points. It's completely up to you, but here's just an idea, okay? So stay tuned and I'll do a quick little demo of this activity. All right, I got my fishing rod ready to go, and I'm gonna start the 1 minute challenge starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God, oh, it fell. Got one, hopefully I get it over. There we go, got one. Just like the game of, just like fishing, you gotta be patient. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. How much time, Jordan?
3 seconds.
All right, so I got 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this game, Gone Fishing. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one. Time's up.